In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and tapping on red button at the bottom in the middle. Then select Allow in all available pop-ups to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it, on the right one. Now name your recording however you want to and select OK. To access list of all your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines when recording is off. Then hit Allow again, and to play your recording, click on it. To delete it though, you can always hold it. Select Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!